Hi everyone, this is Aryan from Minds Technology and today I am going to tell you how does the radar work. So first we'll understand the word radar. So the word radar means radio detection and ranging. So it uses radio waves to detect an object and tell how far is it. So that is the full form of radar. It is radio detection and ranging. So this is a basic principle on how radar works. I'll explain you. So as you can see this box over here, so this is a radar. So you can assume this as a radar. And this plate is the target. So this is the target. So what this radar will do, it will throw many waves, many radio waves. And then what will happen if this, suppose this is a radio wave, this radio wave will go and crash. Now suppose this marker will go, it will touch my hand. It cannot go invisibly like that, like a magic. So what it will do, it will reflect. The waves will reflect and then again come back and tell this radar that where is it. So now in a radar that is created like this, and then there are many lines drawn for the range like this. So like this, and suppose this radar has a power of 100 kilometers. Suppose this radar has a power of detecting within 100 kilometers and this plane is within 20 kilometers. So it will show a dot like this. Now how big the object, the bigger the dot. So if this is a big plane, let's assume that it is around 100 meters long. So it will make a big dot. And now if it is a small fighter plane, the fighter plane is 20 meters long. And that too in the same distance, it will make a small dot like this. Now nowadays what technology has come is known as stealth technology. It is known as stealth. So it is known as stealth technology. So in this what happens is the aircraft makes itself invisible from the radar. Like now everything can't be invisible, it almost makes itself 80% invisible from the radar. How? So this is the plane we'll assume and this radar is giving the waves out. So now what that special plane will have, like the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, B-2 Bomber. So all those planes what have? They have a special coating of paint known as iron ball paint. So that the paint is very expensive. In that iron ball paint, they paint it over it. And what happens? Out of the 100%, 50%. So that iron ball paint absorbs or throws away. Like suppose these waves are coming here, it will not throw it back to the radar. It will throw it somewhere else. So the radar waves are gone undetected, or else it will absorb in it like a sponge absorbs water. Like that, it will absorb the water. Now we will tell that here it is 80% and here it is 50%. So what happens is the shape of the aircraft is also very different. You can see the images. So what happens that with the help of that shape, 30%. So with the help of that shape, 30% of the it is covered. Now, if suppose we'll may see that the plane is 100 meters long and in a distance of 20 kilometers, it will show a very small dot. So what the radar observer will say that this is not a plane only, this is a bird or something, because birds have this much small dot. But actually it is 100 meters, but it is showing very small. So what sometimes happens is they wait for the plane to come. How close it will come, the bigger it will become. So till it comes close, the bomber or the fighter aircraft has made the destruction and went, and that time we know. So this is how stealth technology works. Now in radar also there are various types of radars. There are over the horizon radars, SR radars, L radars. If you want, I will make a separate video on all this. So in this radar, it throws the waves. Now 100 kilometers range is also given in fighter jet radars. Ground station radars have a range of hundreds of thousands of kilometers to guide them, and they are also guided by the satellite. So these radars throw the waves get reflected, but in stealth technology the waves do not get reflected. The waves are absorbed or they are diverted in other direction. So this was my video for today. I hope you like my video. Please like my video.